Hello and welcome to the C lecture. Today we will continue with the decision making statement if. There are four types of if. In this lecture we will continue with the first type, that is simple if. If statement is used to compare something. Here a word compare is there. In general, if we wish to compare something, then we have at least two things. So our basic requirement is two variables. We are using simple if with integer variables. Here we have integer a. We wish user will give the value of a. Printf and scanf to input value of a. Now, here we are checking that value of a is greater than 10. That greater than sign will compare value of a with the value 10. So, if keyword, then into the parenthesis we have to write a, then sign of greater than and 10. If this condition will be true, then only this true part will be executed. I repeat, if this condition will be true, then this true part will be executed. Here we can write some message printf /n a is greater than 10. To run this program, press Ctrl F9, enter value maybe 50. So we have message, or we have an output a is greater than 10. Again we are running this program, Ctrl F9, and if we give value 5, then there is no output. In a simple if the condition will true, then only we will have an output, otherwise not. This is a simple if. Thank you.